Hawaii's most accurate weather with Kamaka Pili.
Things are starting to get damp outside. Winds are ramping up, leading us to high threats across the board for tomorrow. And in anticipation to our strengthening of our winds, we do have a high wind warning that replaced that wind advisory again. 25 to 40 mile per hour sustained winds, gusts up to 60. That's lasting through Saturday afternoon, evening time around 6 o'clock. At the same time, a gale warning which replaced the small craft advisory also is in effect until that time. And then until Sunday at 6 o'clock in the evening, a high surf advisory for east-facing shores, all have to do with these gusty winds. And that gusty winds is coming from a new, strong, high-pressure system to the northwest of the islands that continues to build closer north. And as it does so, we can expect that to result in the strengthening of our winds. So we're going to be seeing the gustiest portion tomorrow morning. And again, gusts could reach up to 60. Some can surpass that. Now, as we end the weekend moving into the Christmas week, we see the winds tapering down, but there's a lot of uncertainty. So the first thing, aside from the winds, is our moisture. We have this cold front that already started to bring some showers towards Kauai, and that's led to some that Hanalei Elementary closure because they didn't know what was going to be coming out of this. Now, the good news with this cold front is it continues to weaken and diminish, so not as much moisture as we previously thought, which is giving us some drier weekends. However, we have a disturbance that's forming towards the west, and that's where the really big uncertainty comes from, is in terms of where this will go. Some shows that lifting north away from the island, some shows it coming closer. So what we're going to be seeing is continuing of windward and Mauka showers due to the moisture being brought in from the old cold front with the trade winds. But again, it's that upper level disturbance towards the west. One model shows this, well, both models show it lifting north. One shows it staying towards the west, continuing to move north, giving us drier conditions here towards the east of that system. One other model shows this lifting north, but bringing another cold front down towards the islands, which will be bringing some prolonged periods of moisture from Saturday lasting through Christmas Eve, possibly damping our Christmas holiday. So again, what we can expect, the windward sections to continue to see and be impacted from windward and Mauka showers, those moisture being embedded with those trade winds. Our He'enalu 8 to 12 footers out east, and that's where the high surf advisory is in effect. Again, box jellyfish visiting us down on the south-facing shores. Breezy conditions will linger. Right now, we're seeing a 40% chance of rain on the Christmas holiday. Joe, back to you.